Hey guys, I'm going to make a quick video and I'm going to try to help you with your ads on Craigslist. And if you'll notice on the referral agent training site, there's a new link called Craigslist Files. If you click on that link, it's going to open a new page. And then you'll see here some files to help you create Craigslist ads. Hopefully you'll not get ghosted. Watch for my video coming soon, which hopefully this is the video. I'll explain these files. This right here, Craigslist posting zip, you want to go ahead and click it and download it. It's a WinRAR file, and when you get it done, just double click it and you'll see all this stuff here will be in here. So what I do is I have it already set up on my computer for, get back over there. I already have it set up for purposes of the work that I do and this video anyway. So you'll notice some files and some folders over here. I've already got some images in here. I have some edited images. You can create these extra folders on that file that you just downloaded. You don't have to have all of them in here. You can if you want to. Then you can put your different Craigslist email accounts if you want to build a bunch of them. I have probably, I don't know, 10 of them or so that I use. Your ad body. This is going to be some sample ad text that you can use, so you'll have to look out to, put your email or your phone number in here. You have to change that. Here are some headlines, like some titles that you can use. And there's also a free image hosting site, and you'll be able to grab the URL. So, like for instance, if I wanted to take an image here, and actually I want to edit this image, so let's go over to our online photo editor and open an image from our computer, which I don't know why that's, let me just go back here to this page here, advanced, open image. It's probably not going to let me open it since I'm recording a video, I'm assuming. I don't know what the problem is. Let's go with new image. No, let's not do that. Yeah, it's probably not going to let me do it because I'm doing this video. Something to do with my transparent windows and stuff like that. So anyway, once you guys get your images edited, you can just grab, okay, let's just grab this here, and in TinyPic or whatever, when you grab that image, it will give you a URL, and you just want to copy that URL, and it actually looks like something like this right here. And so you'll want to just copy that, because when you go to post your ad, you'll need that. So what we can do is try to go over to Craigslist, and we will try to create one. I'm going to delete this one. Okay, so you logged into your account and you want to pick a state. Let's go with New York. And in order, this training is just for free ads, not for paid ads. So in paid ads, you'll see that the major cities are in bold, and so that's going to cost money. I think it's like $25. So you just want to pick something that's not in bold. And then your categories, you have several to choose from: sales, biz, development, retail, wholesale, marketing. You can do human resources if you wanted, customer service, business management, admin, office, accounting. I'm just going to grab one here. Go with accounting. Okay, now the other file will be the ad template, and that's going to be your HTML coding. So you just want to grab that code and then come to the body of your listing. And then if you'll notice, there's 4 lines of code here, and each line has something text above image ad. That means that whatever you put there, it's going to show above the image ad. So what I do is I just come over here to headlines text, and I just grab something, inbound phone reps needed. Okay, I'm going to copy that. That's going to be my title. That's also going to be the text that I put in there. Now you can put anything in there you want. If you want to make this ad clickable, you could put a link in here. So for instance, let's say that I wanted to grab a YouTube video that was relevant to my ad and not just any ad, not just any video, but something relevant to your ad. Then what I would do is just grab the URL link. Let's go ahead and stop this. And you can get that link at the top of the address bar, which is right here. And just copy that. And this will go right in between the quotation marks. And then you'll see over here, insert image source. Now that's going to be the URL that you received from TinyPic after you edited your photo and then you uploaded your photo to TinyPic. So if you remember to save your URL, then you just grab. Now when you save it, I didn't get a chance to show you. You want to save it as image ad or whatever, and it'll put like this funny little stuff here. It'll be something like, I don't know, there's a bunch of stuff, but it'll kind of look like that or whatever, or something like that on the back and in the front. And you'll just want to delete all that. All you want is the HTTP through .jpeg. And so you just copy that. And then go back to your code. And you'll see insert image source between the quotation marks. And that's where that'll go. And you'll see image ad and video hosted by TinyPic. Now the third line, that's where you insert your keywords. Now obviously you wouldn't want to insert, well, you could insert anything you wanted to here, but I just try to make it relevant. And then I'm done with that. And then the following code is insert a Wikipedia text. And if you'll remember from the training site, the advertising, we have a default image ad or description code here. And you'll see that right here between the carets, there's a little text of information. Now, you know, you could go to news.google.com and you could click on something, and then you could just scroll down and grab some text, copy that, and then paste that text in here to replace it. You don't ever want to use what we have in here as default, because I imagine 1,000 people have used that because they've been too lazy to change it. That will get your ad ghosted quick. I don't use Google News anymore. I use Wikipedia, and that's just because of the search feature right here, and I can get the text that I desire. So it doesn't matter what it is. This is really irrelevant to you or to your callers. This is only for the robots on Google, or on Craigslist, I'm sorry. So you just post that in there. And then don't forget commission only. And then don't forget to tick your choices here. Also, very, very important, one of the main reasons why people do get ghosted, no matter how good their coding is, no matter how good their keywords is in their Wikipedia, whether they've got everything else filled out right, a lot of people forget to specify a location, and that will get you ghosted quicker than any of the mistakes you might have made in your code. So very important, always fill out your specific location. And obviously we're in Long Island, so I'm going to put Long Island. Now I'm going to click continue, and if everything worked okay, which it doesn't look like it did for some reason, something's wrong with my HTML code. But anyway, let me go. I'm going to delete that. Anyway, this does work, I promise you, because I will show you. You just have to follow the steps a little better. I've already done the steps, and that's why it's acting up. But if you look here, here's what I did right here. Here's the text that's above the ad that we put in our first code, and then we have the ad itself, and I erased Instant Money Network or whatever it was, and I just put GW Network, and I did that with the photo editing, and I put in my phone number. I just found the blank space there and put that in. This ad is also clickable. It goes straight to my YouTube video, and then you have your keywords down here and the little Wikipedia thing, which, like I say, nobody pays attention to this. You could even actually make that smaller. You could make it yellow so you can't see it or nobody else can see it. But nobody pays attention to that. Their main thing is here. You can even put something, click this ad, or even in this text, you can make it say, click the ad below for video. You know, right here it says, click ad for video. So I've already put that in there. So these ads do work. They do. That's not an ad, or not a image ad. But these image ads, they do work, and they get results, and they do not get ghosted if done properly, and they look very professional. So anyway, I'm sure you'll probably have lots of questions. I kind of went over this a little fast, but just remember your files here. Your main one is the Craigslist posting. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to email me, and you can email me at pajamamoneyforyou@gmail.com. Thanks for watching my video.